weekend, we went to the Frog Follies in Evansville. If you don't know what the Frog Follies is, you can look it up. But basically, it's a it's a car show, and only pre-1949 cars are allowed to register. And there was about 3,000 at least registered, and that was Friday. I don't know what happened on Saturday. We didn't get the numbers. Anywho, better than the car show, there's a huge swap meet.
According to some.
According to us, because we're the ones talking. And so our daughter told us that we should do I don't know what she called it. How about we'll call it?
Unboxing.
Oh yeah, unboxing. But I think it'd be more of like show and tell of what we got at the Frog Follies. So here we go.
What did we get?
The door's locked.
We'll cut that out. If you've never been to the Frog Follies, it's fantastic.
Oh, here we go. First off,
Get the big things out of the way first.
these fell out.
Paint cups. 10 of them.
Got out paint cups. He bought this while I was gone, away from him.
Yes, this is kind of it kind of looks like what do you call it, an IV bag hospital thing. But actually I found out it came out of a Lazarus, and it's used for mannequins. Let's go down here somehow. And what I'm going to use it for is what most shop guys do. I'm going to rig something up the top so I can put a gasoline lifeline down to the front engine's gravity feed. So very nice.
This he also bought while I was away from him.
Yes.
But you know, this is fun.
This is going to help us, if you can't see it, this is going to help us with our trailer, move it around a little easier. That thing was $30.
As a side note, we also went to the Goodwill and we got Top Thief. This is a really fun game. Parker Brothers, if you're listening, it needs to come back.
That doesn't count. It wasn't from the Follies. She
Tonka
likes Tonka
Dune.
cars.
This is mine. Tonka Dune Buggy. I got this for $2. I was very excited.
She kind of collects those.
Let's see it up close.
Oh,
It's really nice. Also, I got this. It's a double-decker bus. It says Festival Transport from Liverpool. This is 1985. May 23rd of September or something, 1985. Must have been an event or something. I have no idea, but I like it. Oh yeah. I also got this awesome camper. It's Tonka as well. It's very cool. I don't know
got a sleeping compartment up top.
what kind of guys you play with it, but I don't know. I'm sure my grandkids will find some way to play with it. Oh look, another car! Isn't it so cute? I think it's Tonka as well. It's adorable.
The Jeep.
These things for fixing those terrible.
I absolutely hate modern gas cans with all their crazy safety regulations. Bought some spouts. 4 of them.
Can't go to a swap meet without buying fuel filters.
Fuel filters. There should be one more.
One more? Oh, there it is. Found it.
Fuel filters. Gotta have them.
Oh, it's another car. This one's a Tootsie toy. I like them.
Oh, it's a Jeep. Missing its windshield.
This, a brass duck with an umbrella. Can't say that's not a great purchase. $3 for $1. What are these things called? They're hitch something?
They're hitch pins for the ball hitch.
I don't know what this is.
Careful. This is this thing tells you how many amps your battery's pulling if you put it over the positive battery cable. So they're really good for power drains and things on your car.
These look like extension thingies. So those are extension thingies?
Yes. Yes, little 2 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive, hex drive extensions for putting sockets to a drill or impact driver.
Looks like we got some wire.
I'm not going to open it, but this is 6-pack of 14 gauge wire, different colors. I need some wire, and this is cloth tape for wiring harnesses and whatnot.
Oh, that's yarn. That's from that doesn't count at all.
hose straps. Gotta have them. Ours are getting nasty. Got some new ones.
This thing, it's part for something.
This is a Volkswagen Beetle thermostat with the rod. That was a good find because I think the thermostat is still good, and I needed the rod too. Overhead door, garage door opener, keypad, and extra remote for this shop.
What's in here? Oh, awesome.
I have a full bag of different wires. Okay, let's go through these really quick. These are just miscellaneous connectors that do 3 wires to 3 wire, 4 wire to 4 wire. I got 2 or 3 of them that are just 2 wire connectors, a couple of 1 wires, and these come in handy for any kind of project you might have. And so I grabbed a bunch of them. Oh, there's just a couple more down here. One more 2 wire, a couple of maybe 3 fuse holders. These are good for projects. I got a new test meter that tells you how many volts is going in it. Hopefully this works better than the last one I bought. I got a little set of side cutters here for electrical wiring. That'll be handy. One of these handy, I don't know if it's going to work, but one of these handy pairs of pliers that is for taking apart. Like I said, it's for factory electrical connectors that are hard to get open. It pushes on the little button and jerks them open, so that's all that stuff.
This, I don't know. I went back and I kept looking at it, and the guy had it marked $10. And he goes, "You really want that?" And I said, "Yeah." And he goes, "I'll take 5. Okay.
That's what's what me throw about getting deals, even though half of these are smashed.
I didn't even ask for the deal.
Half of these are smashed, but okay.
This is one of my favorite purchases. I'm a big Dr. Seuss fan. So now that I can say that I think that I saw it on Mulberry Street.
She reads all of his novels.
I do.
Signs. Where should we go with signs?
Highway 1. Oh my goodness. This was fun. Crosswalk.
Oh, these are going on our sign wall. Sign wall's getting too full, so we're going to have to expand the signage around the building here on the inside, I think. But I like old street signs and stuff.
In case you have 2 people walking instead of just 1, and they're holding books.
Well, it's school coffee. That was $10. This one is for going around corners in your shop. Right lane closed. We got a big squishy mat to lay on in your shop. This one's actually for my brother.
I think that's all.
Is that it? Anyway, we had a blast. 3 days. Actually, we were there 2 days. We went camping.
It's always on a
for 3
Friday,
days.
Saturday, Sunday.
We took the Westie here for 3 nights and went to the Follies 2 days. Had a blast. A lot of still things that we didn't buy that we wanted. But
If you have a chance, go to the Frog
check the
Follies.
Frog Follies out.
Next August.
That's it. Goodbye. Bonus feature.
What else do I? What?
Junk shopping.
Goodwill shopping.
Goodwill's, maybe a flea market.
Mostly just Goodwill. Oh, we also went to a Goodwill outlet, which is really fun, where you buy stuff by the pound.
You can't tell, but when it gets cold, these all turn black. But it's warm enough here that they won't change. But I worked this about 1,000 times.
Stop thief. Already mentioned it. Still, again, stop thief. You're gonna you want this.
Only if it works. Ours works perfectly.
Found this at the outlet store. Very excited. I think I'm going to tear it apart and make something out of it. Good stuff. Someday, hopefully, it'll be turned into a lamp of some kind. I don't know. It'll help, or it'll happen.
Yes,
maybe.
we like these things. We make lamps and lights out of them. Hanging lamps.
There's another one. Bam.
Good stuff. One of these days we need to get on that.
Oh, screws. This is an exciting one. Box of screws.
Self-tapping. I needed some.
Oh, wait. This is tool.
Oh yeah. This is a nice pair of digital calipers here. Very nice one. They're by Quinn. All right. I needed a new set of digital calipers. I think these were like 20 bucks. It wasn't at a Goodwill. It was at a retail shop kind of thing.
Sure, for hopefully my granddaughter. Nicely shiny.
Oh, look at this. It's a Steadicam mount. That was pretty good. That was $5, a looky. I'll have to try this out and see how well it works, you know. Not bad for $5.
This I think is for our son for his Christmas
Yeah,
stocking.
don't tell him.
Don't tell him. It's very cool and it lights up.
It's Zelda light. It works good.
Wheel
Oh,
of Fortune.
although the batteries are a little grody. You gotta do a little work on the batteries.
Oh, this is fun. Look, one of those scary Cabbage Patch doll things, bodies. Creepy, but fun. Mary Poppins comes back. 1001 cool jokes. Famous gospel favorites, flat picking guitar. Origami, where art meets science. Dr. Seuss, great day for us. Don't have that one. Dr. Seuss, I can lick 30 tigers today. Don't have that one. Very sad.
She's gonna spend hours reading those.
I will. 100 hymns with just 3 chords. There's something in my attic by Mercer Mayer, which, you know, Mercer Mayer.
There's a lot of junk in our
Records. We got
Herb
Herb
Alpert.
Alpert, Tijuana Brass, Going Places. Homer and Jethro Strike Back.
That was fun.
Flower Drum Song, I have no idea.
Harry
Harry Belafonte, Calypso. Dixieland's Greatest Hits. So, love some jazz. Showboat. It's a classic.
I don't know if we got those, but might be interesting. Listen to.
And
They were cheap.
the
Melissa and Doug.
3 sets of Melissa and Doug magnetic dolls. A guy, actually it's 4 sets. A guy, 2 girls, and Tangled. Is it Rapunzel? Rapunzel girl.
Was it Rapunzel?
Yeah, it's Rapunzel. Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know.
4 sets.
They were really cheap.
Well, we all know how cheap they were. They were at the.
They were
$1.99 a pound. I don't remember what that equates to.
Other than the Krispy Kreme donuts, I don't think there's anything else to show you.
I think that's it. It was very fun.
All right.
If you like this kind of video, tell us.
Like
Maybe
and
we'll make
subscribe.
more. I don't know. Who can know?